Hello my dear children, welcome back to the social science class. In today's class, you are going to see a new topic, media and democracy. Media and democracy. Okay children, what do you know about media? Media is the communication outlet or tools used to store and deliver information or data. In general, media refers to various means of communication. For example, television, radio and newspapers are the different types of media. Let us see in detail. Children, traditionally, India has many folk forms of communicating with people in rural areas. Harikatha and Kuthu are originally a religious media from in which the stories were propagated. It is a collective form of music, dance, speech, storytelling with comic interludes. It has tremendous, that means great effort in communicating the messages straight into the hearts of the people. Then, socially relevant messages were passed through this medium. Modern methods to address small and medium gathering include seminars, dramas, public meetings and workshops, etc. Print media has been referred to as people's university because they perform the role of public informer, educate and custodian. Custodian means guardian or keeper of public interest. Let us discuss about media and its role. Children, what is media? Every individual person is a medium of expression. Yes or no, children? Yes. An individual interacts through the media to reach other individuals and institutions. Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. It includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium. Media is the plural of the word medium. Such a medium or media allows to communicate messages, thoughts, ideas, views, etc. Now you know about the media? Yes, children, media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. It includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium. Okay. This communication can be classified into two: personal communication, mass communication. First one, personal communication. These are meant for personal use, like letters, telephone, cell phone, email and fax. Next, mass communication. These are used for communicating with the masses. Newspapers, radio, television. Collectively, they are termed as media. Dear children, do you know about radio? All India Radio, officially known as Akashvani since 1956, that is Voice from the Sky, is the radio broadcaster of the Government of India, launched in 1936. Let us know about classification of media. Narrowcast media, cable television, direct mail, seminar. Broadcast media, films, television, radio. Print media, newspapers, magazine, journals, books, posters, reports. Web media, Google website and blogs. Social media, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. These are the classification of media. Now let us see fourth pillar of democracy. The four pillars of democracy are legislature, executive, judiciary and media. Media ensures the transparency in the working of all the above three systems. This fourth pillar of democracy ensures that all people living in far off areas of country are aware of what's happening in rest of the country. In fact, mass media is the most important vehicle for information, knowledge and communication in a democratic polity. Let us see the importance of the media. Media is very powerful entity on the earth. It is a mirror which shows various social, political and economic activities around us. People depend on the media for various needs including entertainment and information. Media keeps the people awakened and it has become one of the major instruments of social change. Media not only bring out the day-to-day happening in the world, but also exposes the strength and weakness of the government. It also advertises the various products produced by the private companies. It creates the awareness. All the TV channels broadcast national and international news. Social problems are portrayed in many cinemas. Media provide a balanced report on any matters. It fights against the socio-political evils and injustice in our society, while bringing empowerment to the masses and facilitating development. Media and public opinion. The media plays a prominent role in the formation of public opinion. That is, general opinion of the public on particular issues. It is the powerful tool in the contemporary times. It has become a part of the everyday life of the people. They play a significant role in shaping a person's understanding and perception about the events occurred in our daily lives. The mass media play a significant role in providing honest, intelligent, and usually unbiased accounts of events. The newspaper reflects the response of the people to the government policies. Thus, Print media and electronic media helps the people to express their opinion on important social issues. Let us see about ethic and responsibility. Ethics is a code of value which govern our lives, so they are very essential for moral and healthy life. In the context of media, ethics may be described as a set of moral principles. The media is expected to follow a code of conduct which should be reflected in their reporting and writing. Sensational and untruly news should be avoided. The fundamentals objectives of media are to serve the people with news, views, comments, and information on matters of public interest in a fair, accurate, unbiased, and decent manner and language. An awakened and free media is very much essential for the function of the government. It has right to collect information from any primary sources which are important to the society and then report the same with the aim to inform, not to create sensation. The media has a massive responsibility in providing factual coverage. Let us know about role of media in democracy. Media is the backbone of democracy. In a democratic society, mass media is the driving force of public opinion. Media strengthens the democratic value. It enlightens and empowers the people. It can educate the voters and ensure that government is transparent and accountable. Media carry every reports of action of administration of the government. Based on the information, the citizen can learn about the functioning of the government and day-to-day happening taking place around them. It arranges the debate on current affairs so that we can get the different views for the same issue. Media reminds the government of its unfulfilled promises to the public. It educates masses in rural areas. Parliamentary democracy can flourish only under the watchful eyes of media. Media not only reports but acts as a bridge between the state and public. Thus, the media acts as a watchday of the democratic government. A democracy without media is like vehicle without wheel. Okay, children, let us know about local media. Usually, the media reports the news which of national and global importance, whereas local media addresses public locality. Okay, children, conclusion of this lesson. The media in the contemporary world of information and technology plays a very significant role in educating masses. The media should always keep in mind that it should not publish anything which corrupts the public minds and disturbs social peace. For healthy society, sharing of views, free flow of information, free communication and expression plays an important role. Media being powerful and important instruments of expression have got lot of contribute. Mass media have made the world smaller and closer. Let us see the summary of this lesson. A medium is a means or way of communication. Media is the plural of medium. Modern media such as television, radio, newspaper and the internet reach millions of people all over the world. So the common term used for them is mass media. Changing technology helps media to reach more people. Media has brought the world closer to us. It brings the news and happening from across the world to the public in a fair and realistic way. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news. It is working out to be an effective tool to create public opinion on issues by improving awareness among the masses.